Hi everyone. Today we will discuss how to solve absolute value inequality. First, please understand absolute value of x can be defined by the distance from the origin, right? So absolute value of here, absolute value of x is less than 5, which means if I draw the number line, the distance from the origin is less than 5, which means your point of x must be here, right? Can you see that? All point on our answer has the distance less than 5 from the origin. So this is the only way to eliminate absolute sign. From absolute value of x is less than 5. Then how about the absolute value of x is greater than 5? Exactly the same reason, since absolute value of x is the distance from the origin, the distance is greater than 5. Then if I draw a number line, your answer must be here and also must be here, right? All of this point has the distance greater than 5 from the origin. So again, when you solve this inequality, absolute value of x is greater than some positive number, we have only this way to eliminate the absolute sign. Okay? But when, think carefully, absolute value of x is less than negative 5. Think, well, this is possible. Absolute value of something is less than negative 5. Please note that this inequality has no solution. How about the other situation? Absolute value of x is greater than negative 5. Since the absolute value of something is always positive number, the positive number is always greater than some negative number, in this case negative 5. So in the case, all real numbers will be our answer. Okay? Now we will solve some example question. First one, absolute value of x is less than or equal to 3. Yes, I hope you can write directly the answer here. Next one, absolute value of x is less than negative 4. Absolute value of x is less than negative number. Please note that this inequality has no solution. Next one, absolute value of x is greater than some positive number. Remember that we can eliminate the absolute sign with this method. X is less than negative 2 or x is greater than positive 2. Okay, next one. Please compare these two things. The first inequality say absolute value of x is less than some negative number, but in the case absolute value of something is greater than negative number, in this case negative 1. Please note that all real numbers can satisfy this equation, so this will be your answer. Okay, in the case inside of absolute sign we have some expression, but exactly the same method. You can copy 2x plus 3 negative 7 here, positive 7 here. Okay, now subtract 3, then you have a negative 10, 2x left, 4, right? Now divide by 2, then negative 5 here, x here, 2 here. Okay, next one. Absolute value of something is greater than 2. So remember that. Without absolute sign, this is less than or equal to negative 2, or without absolute sign, 3 minus x can be greater than or equal to 2. Okay, step by step. Subtract 3, then negative x, negative 5. If you divide both sides by negative number, x will be here, 5 will be here. Since I divide both sides by negative number, we must switch the direction. And here, subtract 3, then negative x is greater than or equal to negative 1. Divided by negative 1, x is less than or equal to positive 1. Okay, this will be our answer. Okay, next question. First, please note that we must handle this part first before eliminating absolute sign. So I will add 1, then you have an absolute value of 2x plus 1 is less than 5 after you add 1. Now absolute value of something is less than or equal to positive number, then you can copy the expression without absolute sign. Here negative 5 is here, positive 5 is here, right? Okay, to isolate x, I will eliminate 1 first, so which means negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. Okay, now divide by 2. Good. Okay, next one. We must handle this part first. So subtract 7, then you have an absolute value of x plus 1 is greater than 15 minus 7 will be 8. Wow, absolute value of something is greater than some positive number. Do you remember how to eliminate the absolute sign? Yes, x plus 1 is less than negative 8, and x plus 1 can be really greater than positive 8. So subtract 1, then x is less than negative 9. Same thing, yeah, subtract 1, then x will be greater than 7. Okay, so please remember, in solving inequality, when you divide both sides by negative number, we must switch the direction of inequality. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.